earthquake in Segamat, not Malaysia's first. The minor earthquake that shook Segamat Johor on Sunday was not the first of its kind in Malaysia. Although the country lies outside the Pacific Ring of Fire, records from the Malaysian Meteorological Department and the Minerals and Geoscience Department reveal that earthquakes have struck Malaysia for more than a century. Back in 1922, Johor was hit by a 5.4 magnitude quake followed by an aftershock measuring 5.0 on the Richter scale a week later. Both caused minor damage, proof that Peninsular Malaysia is not immune to seismic activity. Sabah, however, is the state most prone to quakes. The strongest ever recorded struck Lahad Datu in 1923, measuring 6.3 on the Richter scale. Other major incidents followed Kudat in 1951, Keningau and Tenom in 1958, Lahad Datu again in 1976, and Ranau in 1991. But the most devastating came in June 2015 when a 6.0 magnitude quake in Ranau destroyed parts of Mount Kinabalu and claimed 18 lives, including climbers and mountain guides. Ranau was shaken again in 2018 by a 5.2 quake, although no serious damage was reported. Sarawak also felt the tremors. In 1994, a 5.3 magnitude quake struck near Kapit, the strongest ever recorded in the state. Elsewhere in the peninsula, small tremors were recorded in Terengganu, Negeri Sembilan, and Perak in the 1980s, measuring between 1.6 and 4.6. From 2007 to 2008, Bukit Tinggi spanning Selangor and Pahang saw 23 minor quakes, none of them serious. History shows Malaysia is not a quake-free nation. Most incidents have been weak, but the Segamat tremor is a timely reminder that seismic monitoring and disaster preparedness remain vital, especially in areas near fault lines.